children. Look what I've got. It's not all mine. A pair of them are my son's. These are the Vans David Bowie shoes that I bought when I bought the other ones from the other video. And these arrived, I think, 2 days after we purchased them. So let's get right into it. Let's get snipping. So, I'm going to be really careful because I want to make sure I don't damage the box. So, I'm assuming that the smaller box is mine because Billy has bigger feet than me.
Okay.
What size are these? Okay, so these are Billy's ones. You can see there. These are called Skate High Platform. Ziggy Stardust. I'm quite excited. They've been sitting in my side room with a whole lot of other stuff that I'm yet to open that people have sent me, and I'm sorry that I'm such a weirdo and that I get weird and anxious and agoraphobic about opening things that people send to me. I know it's weird, but so am I. Anyway, back to the shoes. So here we go, guys. I am about to open them. Ooh, once again we have this lovely paper. It's so soft. Whoever came up with this soft paper, God bless you. Oh, wow. Okay, I didn't realize these boots had such excellent detail. So we're in the box. They're in the box. I'm trying to be really careful not to rip the paper. Okay, so what size did I end up getting? I got a 9.5. Because these days, with issues with my feet, with the arthritis and the bone deformity that I have, a congenital bone deformity, I have to be really careful with the shoes that I wear. A lot of shoes that I have now, and for a couple of years I've been giving them to my friend Siobhan, all of my really, really pointy boots from the late 80s and 90s, and yeah, so... But it's good to hand things on. And these have a rounded toe, so A-okay with that. And they're a little bit platformed, which I think is good. If anything, I might just have to get maybe an insole for my art shoe. Anyway, let's have a look at these shoes. Oh wow. Okay, so these aren't laced up. They are red. They're more of a watermelon. I don't want to get too much of a glare. I'm trying to get these in a good light. Hang on, maybe if I open up a curtain. Okay, that's better. We can't all dwell in the dark. Oh, these are really cool. So that's the inside of it. These are the laces, which are the exact same color. You've got the little off the wall, Vans off the wall. And that's the other side of it. David Bowie and the sizing there. Really, I won't have a problem with it. I love the fact that's the back tag, the Vans, but I love the fact that it is, you can see how it's almost embossed in there, Bowie, which I think is really cool. It's the outer part of the platform sneaker, and that's the inside part. I have a feeling that I'm going to be wearing these this winter. So let's try them on and see how they look. I just wanted to give you a close-up of the detail of the shoes. It's a bit difficult because of the material that they're made from. It's hard not to get a glare, so quite literally I have them laying on my bed and the window is open, but I wanted to give you a good look of how it looks. It's really great. It really is. There's been a lot of thought put into these shoes, as I've probably mentioned in a previous video. Yeah, I like them. To be honest, they're not exactly what I thought they would be. So the question is, am I 100% happy with these shoes? Yeah, I mean, they're Bowie, so. But, I don't know. I'm not a huge fan of Vans' style of shoe or boot. I would probably be more of a Converse if you had to compare with that type of shoe. I'm more of a Converse kind of girl. Having said that, I haven't worn Converse in so long because the flatness of them really stuffs around with my feet and the arches of my feet. They are extremely stiff at the moment, of course, because, I don't know, they're brand new. I just think, once again, they're a beautiful piece of artwork. I did buy them with the intention to wear them often, but for one, I thought that they were going to be a bit more platform, to be honest. And I don't know, maybe it's because I've tried them on and I'm wearing kind of like a skirt, and they will look better with a pair of black jeans or some leggings, or I'm not quite sure what I'm going to team these with. They do match with my hair at the moment. Maybe I need an all over watermelon coloured outfit, so everything I'm just like colour blocking, because I love to colour block. So I don't know, I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do. I think my expectations were a little bit higher for these. I don't know. Tell me what you think. Have you bought these? If you have, comment down below and tell me how they feel. Like I said, they feel a little bit stiff being brand new. I hope that they will loosen up and be comfy shoes that I can wear all the time, because I wanted at least one pair from the 3 shoes that I purchased to be kind of everyday wear. So, but you know, there's features on these like that embossed type of design thing. They do like the way that it's been sewn here, so it kind of looks like ridges. I don't know, it's kind of similar to a lot of the costumes that Bowie wore when he was Ziggy. So that space kind of themed, I don't know, puffy stuff, 70s type of, I don't know, what am I trying to say? Do you understand what I'm saying? Just to be sure, I had a look on the Vans website with all of their shoes. You can go on there, they have a special category for the Vans Bowie ones. These are leather upper, so I was concerned that these might be PVC or pleather or whatever else they make shoes out of, but they definitely are leather. So they definitely are going to soften up and maybe get a few creases in them like leather does and soften, and so I'm happy with that. I think to keep them clean, you just give them a bit of a wipe over with a bit of a damp cloth. I'm not sure if you could put leather boot polish on them to keep them nice and shiny. I don't know, it depends how you like it. They're lace up, as we talked about, and yeah, they're, you know, as long as they are going to soften up, they're going to be a great shoe. I wish that they were a little bit more platform, to be honest. I don't know how many inches that is. Something for you to look up if you're concerned. I think they're really cool. And if you wanted to, like with any kind of lace up boot or shoe, you can change the laces as well. I know that for years I've been using velvet ribbons with different shoes, just to give them a different, I don't know, look, depending on your outfit. I don't know, maybe you would want to wear a red and orange outfit and put orange laces in them and swap them up and change them, or I don't know. Black even, so it kind of goes with the platform rubber parts. What would I give them out of 10? I'm thinking a bit of an 8.5. I like them. I don't love them. But Vans, you've done another great, you have done a great job, Vans. Let's give Vans a round of applause. Tell me what you think. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Don't forget to press the notification bell so that you can see more of my videos. And until the next one, I will ask you to keep it creepy. Okay guys, see you next time.